This is my friend's dog, Rocky.
Hi guys. He's a boxer dog.
Yeah. He's very cute. Rocky, come here. Oh, look how cute he is.
He's friendly as well.
Yeah, he's very furry. Well, not that furry,
He's
but
nice.
he's nice furry
He has lots of.
fur.
He's fine though. He's good boy.
Rocky, stop hitting me with your tail. My lord, that.
His tail is the strongest tail in the world of tails.
Yeah.
Tails.
It's the strongest tail in the history
Maybe
of
point
tails.
the camera at Rocky. Yeah. And
Rocky's army crawling. He's army crawling.
yeah, well there's Rocky. He's a very good boy.
Yeah, he's army crawling right now.
We'll see if we can get some more pics of it sometime. I don't know.
Okay. Wait, no, he's posing for the camera.
Okay.
Okay, wait, we'll see if he does anything more interesting. Why are you going under the bed?